Tulo, kulo, kulonga. Okay, fa'akulo waku. Ile paia male mamalu, lasi o Samoa, lenge kaimi. Fa'akulo waku I kupu, makamali, mae o Samoa malakungu. Waso sola mangaku. Wale ai foi upu. E mamoli aku ai le mako faaf kaikele. Ira ko wa fio mai. Makala mai ako au. Wa mawalunga ai le ngei fa mo o fangau. O mga ku ai lea o upu masangi ala kungu e fa pea. O vao ese ai fui fakasi. Ai sea. Ngangangar ku spese fa pea. I se tasi fa pese ua masani ai la tunu fauta. Fauta ole mea e matuale lei male mata ngofie oso. Pe anonofo fatasi male oli male fe alofani. Fafkai le alofo le kua. Fafkai le alofo le kua o kako mawale ngai afgoa. Walai o kako feiloi I po e maru ele o po e mala ile soi foi male lange mama. O Samoa ole ai vivia. O leo ke fa pea kwai. Ai se upo e sala I kuskala ile ngai afiafi. Ia e alofa ma lafo ifo ia kumoku le ai nga. Au le ngai kaimi. Mamoli a kwela fa kai kele lava. Ai nga wo mal au me mai. Fa'aftai tele. Ai usi mai lor sisila mal fa'fonga male mai moa ia ai sei mato fa'fia ele nei afiafi fa'aftai. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, the clergy and ministers, my fata faitaulanga e fio la tunu watato fatasi le ne fiafi. Welcome to the Fagogo O Samoa. We hope that by sharing the stories of our people, we share a journey of love, of alofa, the compass that underlied our ancestors' skillful reading of the celestials to navigate the greatest body of ocean on the planet, Lemoana, to discover new lands, new peoples, new places to call home, but rooted always in the fires of Samoana.
Elongo whakukuila, le kako whangongo pe awe. Ele langonga koe kalimai, elongo whakukuila pe awe.
Awe.
Ia walelei, kaluai o me filongia lo kako awhia. O le awhamakalai le kako whangongo, I le nganganga whakukangia. Ai usi maia le mai moa ma le sila.
Samoa, sacred center, born of the nothingness. One day, the god Tangalolangi, ruler of the heavens, wandered across the expanse. And as he wandered, he needed a place of rest. And so he stood still, perfectly still, and wished for Papa Rock.
Let there be rock.
Tangalolangi spoke to the rock.
May you split a rock to create earth. Earth, my resting place in the expanse.
And upon hearing this, the rock split to form not merely earth,
I am Mother Earth, guardian of the stars, keeper of the fires that burn in the sacred center. Oa'u, ole lalalangi.
but ocean.
Oa'u, ole moana.
Ana.
Excuse me. I am Mother Ocean. I am the source of life. I am the source of calm, terror, and peace. I connect one island to another and another to form the sea of islands called Samoana. Oa'u, ole moana.
And sky.
Oa'u, ole langi.
Langi, langi, langi.
I am the sky. I am the bridge between man and woman and the gods. Oa'u, ole langi.
Fresh water.
Wow! Oh, vai!
Vai, vai, oa'u, ole, vai.
I am fresh water. I too am life. I give life. I sustain life. I rejoice in life. Wow! Oh, vai!
Immensity.
Wow! Ole ilu!
Ole ilu, oa'u, ole ilu, oa'u, ole ilu.
I am immensity! I'm larger than life itself. Yet without life, I wouldn't exist. Oa'u! Ole ilu!
And space.
Oa'u, ole mamao.
Mamao, mamao, mamao.
I am space. I am man and women, imagination, expansive in every way. Oa'u, ole moana, mi moa.
And when these things were created in their perfection and life emerged in green, he then created man.
Oa'u ole fatu.
Fatu.
I am man. I am the seed that is planted in the earth to birth forth life. It is my responsibility to guard it, to nurture it, and to hold it until it is ready to go forth and multiply. Oa'u ole fatu.
And woman.
Oa'u, ole ele ele. I am woman. I am the fertile ground that births life, that sustains life. I am also the blood of both man and woman. Oa'u, ole ele ele.
Tangalolangi breathed into them both anganga, a living spirit.
Fatu, maleelele.
Tangele fatu, fatu male ele ele. Tanolangi breathed into them both a gift.
I give you the gift of Manatu, the power of thought. I give you the gift of Finangalo, will. Fatu Maleele, I give you both the gift of Atamai, intelligence, and Loto, affections.
And thus, man, Fatu, and woman, Ele, were given the tools of life to plant new life, to seek new life, to overcome adversity, to fight courageously, to live off of the fruits, leaves, and roots of the land and of the Sea of Samoa, the sacred center, ever evolving through time and space.
Samoa lies in the heart of
the Moana,
the largest body of water on the
earth's surface.
It lies too in the heart of every man,
woman, and child,
of every village
and villager. For Samoa is the home of our ancestors. Moana,
guided by Fitu,
the stars,
guided by Masina,
the moon,
guided by Matangi,
the winds,
guided by Aniva,
the constellations,
sailing rough seas,
calm seas,
discovering
new lands,
new people,
new places
to call home,
but rooted in the fires of
Samoa. Listen, the Fagogo of our people. Listen. Watch. This.
secret center.
This. Samoana. Shoo!
Fai pulu fa malo, lo to feel the toto manfue. Ole tu malo, fa fatai mo awala ngalue. O so le fa tawa a fai mo si a wa. So tau le o toto I no fanga. Ele lo mai Beyonce, le fai na tau le ne yo langa. Le su le tai o puma sinai me fanga. For me for fun low tama to ole la ale ma umanga mali ile langa ma awale malama tauno to yuta si mu me no ia o koko talo popo vai o kusele manuia se I male se fa pa pa le fia mai ma wai fa mo pia Follow my mind, ole aso manatu, find myself fika, find my little supaya, ole sunaya faya, etato te only my fia ya. No. I'm a tall la fo. Elete atu le pomsa. I say facing aluenga. Ole ave ole la. Ua amatau na sina sinai fole fule pala pala. Ai fai nei mea o mama le fia. Pei se ata fa solo. Ta amilo si o ma fau fau. Ata. Utalo fai male salanga tau.
Siva Maya, Siva.
Fai te tala na soa tau. Ai se I o mua ina pingi na whanau. Wow, tomana tu. Pesa o ili tau lunga. Pena silia na o moiloa. Fai sa malolonga. Ala mai le bili aki tu ile le na mosita alonga pe solo ile pasi ile mai sale la longa ile mo fiona le falunga mai ole aso manatu fai mai safika fai mai le tsipaia ole sona ye faia eta te oli ma fia ya.
Fafo, gope! Maya, Kelly. Fafo, gope! La mai no. Vale, Lima, no. Just go to the middle. Gope, la wakurko umu. Samoana, that is what they became known as. These island people, created from the sacred center, people of the ocean. Their memory runs deep, like the moana itself, memory that could fetch stories as far back as creation, as far back as when the rock, the papa, was split and the earth was formed, along with man, fatu, and woman, ele. While the rest of the village sleeps, a rooster's crow breaks the silence, and alas, it is dawn. The Aumanga has awakened. They are the village men who have awoken to do what they usually do, prepare food for the rest of the village. They will carry baskets of fafie, dry wood for fire. They will carry baskets of taro, bananas, and breadfruit. They will scrape the taro. They will scrape the breadfruit. They will peel the bananas. They will also make balusami, coconut milk wrapped in taro leaves. They will catch more chicken, remove the feathers and clean them, insert hot stones into them, wrap them in breadfruit leaves, braid them in coconut leaves, and prepare them for the umu. They will wrap fish and braid them in coconut leaves. They will wrap octopus in ulu or breadfruit leaves, and then banana leaves, and then tie it up. They will scrape coconuts. The flesh they squeeze out with a tawanga so that coconut milk flows down to the tanoa. Sometimes they will do everything in silence. Some will smoke Samoan tobacco, while others will sing. And if they do sing, they sing always of Tangalolangi's generosity, Tangalolangi's guidance as they go out to fish at sea or back in the plantations to work and to hunt boar or pigeons. It is seldom that a pig is baked. A pig was a delicacy and was prepared only on special occasions. A birth of a child, the cutting of a boy's hair for the tuinga, the celebrations of a tattoo. Otherwise, these Samoans kept themselves fit and strong, eating mostly plant-based foods and fish from the sea, as their stable.
Yeah. Well, ready for me, I. Now, manga. The kala nga faya nga porco inga fola eli. Yeah. Se vene mo le ngamure po so le level po. Yeah, keming e yoko. So we are. Fakapat.
Pero kung fakapak sabi. Kamoy luma. Oy luma. As je waar met kakao kom. Oy luma. Sasa! Ah, vale popo! Longa! La! Woo! Taima and Tila Whainga, goddesses of the tattoo. Siamese twins, born, stuck, back to back. Warrior women who swam oceans from Manua, home then of the Tuifiti, the king of Fiji, and how they were gifted the tools of the tattoo with the message to tattoo the women, not the men. But before they reached Falealupo, they saw a giant clam. In curiosity, they dove towards the clam. And when they emerged, they had forgotten the words to the song and sang instead to tattoo the men, not the women. But before they became known as Taima Matila Whainga, they were called Titi Matiti, girls who grew into women, having never seen each other's faces, only their reflections.
Titi. I want to see your face.
We just came from the lake.
Sis, let's go to the lake again. I really want to see your reflection, sis.
Sunga, the lake is creepy. Short men with long beards roam there. Let's go, let's Sami instead.
Sunga, the Sami has sharks and eels and other dangerous animals.
See, I want to taste salt. Please, fa mole mole. Pretty, please.
I hate it when they give me those more colo eyes.
Fa mole mole. Uso, what's that? Lale, it looks like baby's bowel movements.
Oh, yes, it does, Titi. It is. Then that will be my name, dear sister.
You want to be named after human feces?
Well, come on. Well, why not? How can I call myself a goddess if I can't see the beauty in everything? Taima. It even has a beautiful sound to it. Mysterious, enigmatic, if you ask me.
I'll try to remember not to laugh when I call on you. Clean human feces. I meant to say Taima.
You're forgiven only because I can't live without you. Like, literally, I will die if we were to ever be surgically separated. That's a fact, Uso.
Oh, you make me feel so needed, Uso.
Take it as a compliment. Soma, did you see that?
Olea.
Voice. What the?
Whoa. Tell me that was an accident, Titi. Tell me.
Girl, that was no accident, sis.
And from now on, I will no longer be called Titi. To remember the wood that separated us, I am Tila Fainga. Sunga.
And I am Taima.
We are the goddesses, the goddesses of the Malu.
The Malu is a Samoan woman's tattoo.
Tapped on her body to protect her.
It's inked into her skin so that she will know who she is.
Where she comes from.
And in return, she becomes the protector.
She protects her family.
Her village.
Village, so her village.
Her people. Her most precious possession. Yes, we are Taima Matila Fainga, goddesses of the tattoo, protectors of all that is sacred to our people.
So, mafuanga, tasi, so. Le mafuanga, usu mai ma.
Samoan is offered the ava, he drinks only but a part of the intoxicating liquid, leaving the rest in the cup, which he will pour to the side and call out, soifua. The origins of this tradition goes right back to the sun god, Tangaloa Sisila, whose son, Tangaloa Ui, gifted the first ava to Pava, the original man. Pava's son was mocking his father at the clumsiness with which he held the tanoa. Disturbed by his act of disrespect, or leaise fa'aloalo, Tangaloa Ui split Pava's son in half with his toto'o, or talking stick. The boy died immediately. But seeing the silent tears in Pava's eyes, Tangaloa Ui poured ava on the boy's dead body, restoring him fully to life. And in seeing this, Pava clapped and clapped and clapped.
Ava.
Huaile anganu te alu o se usu ole matai malana avai ai le inati le au manga ia whaanati nati. Sina and the Tuna. The most timeless and seductive love story of Samoa. We love Sina and the Tuna not only because it teaches us how beautiful it is to find one's soulmate and to live under the spell of that one love, but most importantly, as Samoans, we have been bewitched into Sina and her Tuna throughout the ages because they show how sacrifice for the sake of the lover is the greatest love of all. Listen and watch how the first coconut arrived in Samoa. Samoa!
Okay, my turn. You sit still over there. Hi. And now it's tuna time. Yeah. Yeah, so let me tell you a story. I am a sorcerer. Yeah. It's not a sausage over there. It's a sorcerer. Yeah. In Samoan, in case you didn't know, because I'm sure you didn't know, it's a Fagogo, you know? And in Fijian, where I'm supposedly from, is Vagaranikau. Yeah. Any Fijians in the house? Well, I'm glad there's no Fijians here, so I can tell however I want. Yeah. So, I was thinking of this lady that I heard about. She's from Samoa, yeah. And I'm from Fiji, yeah. So, I was thinking up a plan so I can get this lady from Samoa, yeah. You know Harry Potter, kids? Any Harry Potter fans in the house? Man, you guys falling asleep or something. Yeah, get some food if you're hungry. Harry Potter's got nothing on me. Yeah, because I'm the most powerful sorcerer or Fagogo there is. Yeah. I had a swam all the way from the island of Fitisemanu. I'm glad there's no Fijian here. Fitisemanu, searching for the beauty of the woman they called Sina.
Okay, open. I'm coming, Mother. What is it?
This morning.
What is it, Mother?
It's a surprise.
It's an eel, a baby eel. Kalofai, you didn't have to, Mother. What a sweetheart.
Yeah, sweetheart,
Oh, Mama, you're so mean.
You see, I know you're gonna judge me by the way I look, you know. Because I know I'm not much to look at. Yeah. Not like those delicious guys, yeah. I know I'm no Brad Pitt. Yeah, because I'm actually Brad Lee, yeah. I'm go in my shit. Yeah, so it was hard for me not to get too close to this beautiful woman. So I was thinking, in order for me to get close to her, I had to transform myself into an eel. Yeah. Not a little puppy or a little pony, yeah, but an eel. Yeah. And so, because I know a beautiful woman like that wouldn't even take a second look at me. But for me, to be a recipient of her affection is my raison d'etre. Yeah. I bet you didn't know that either. That's actually French for my reason for living. Whoa. I think I hear footsteps. Her precious, precious footsteps. Oh. Sina.
Mama! Mama, the eel!
My darling Sina.
It keeps growing. It's bigger than the tanu I kept it in.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe you were right. Maybe we should cook him.
Cook him? Cook him?
No, get up.
But darling.
I'm going to take him down to the pool. I'll be back in a jiff, Mama.
Okay.
Sugar. Yeah, I'm going to be back in the chief. What am I?
Oh no, Mama. You're always so serious. Lighten up for Tangaloa's sake. I'm sorry, Mama, okay?
Oi, ka koe koe. Ya. Asu so aku yala in mere kele ku pe oi bali makala. Anga me. Ah. Boy, you have something in there.
The village.
Hmm? Just wait. You guys let me know when you guys ready over there, then I'll finish. Sinna, just come with me.
You?
Yeah.
You talk?
Oh, yeah, duh.
Oh, but you're an eel.
I talk in eel. Yeah.
I can't. I just can't.
You can? Okay, wait over there, huh? Let me get some help. All right, people, I need some help. She's denying me, okay? So I want you to help me get her, all right? Everybody, Millie! Millie, 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 Millie! When I say patia, that means one clap, okay? Patia! Patia! When I say lua pati, that means two claps, okay? Lua pati! Okay, I want everybody to say, go tuna, go tuna, go. Okay, stop. Go tuna, go tuna, go. Go tuna, go tuna, go. Laura, go tuna, go. One more time. Go tuna, go. I thought you were lighter the other day.
Oh.
Let's keep running. You can run now.
Tuna, they're coming to get us.
Oh yeah, that's your uncle over there. Let's hide behind this mango tree. Yeah. Are you okay?
Tuna, I'm exhausted. We've been traveling all day, and I can feel the life force leaving me, Tuna.
Oh, dang, girl. I think you might be having pre-diabetic or something. When was the last time you had your checkup?
Pre-diabetic what?
Diarrhea. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. I'm just musing. Yes, you're so beautiful.
Tuna, I said I'm thirsty and I'm hungry. I can literally feel the life force leaving me, and you're musing?
Yeah, I'm sorry. I'm hungry too. But let's hurry and finish this. Let me take you over to your chair. Yeah. Get ready, DJ. Where's my DJ? Yeah, I think I have an idea how to bring that life back into you.
Okay.
Yeah. Lapi. Oh, mi forka me. Just press play on that CD player. Yeah. Yeah, that one right in front of you. Press play. Yeah. Is it on? Oh, man. No, the CD player. The round thing, not the mixer. Yeah, that one. That play. Right underneath the... There. No. The other one. Right there.
Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Gangnam Style. Oppan Gangnam Style. Hey, sexy lady. Oppan
How about that, Sina? Hey?
Almost.
I bet you didn't know I have a dancing talent. You know those guys, the delicious guys? They stole my moves. Yeah.
You're changing the subject, my love.
I'm sorry, Sina.
No, I'm sorry, Tuna.
Then we're both sorry. Yeah.
I love you, Tuna.
I love you more.
Okay.
Yeah. But listen.
No, but I love you more.
Listen, see, I'm not even Samoan.
Oh, you're not?
Yeah. I'm not even Tongan. There's a lot of hosts around here, but I'm not Tongan. Yeah. So I'm sorry.
Okay.
I'm actually from Singatoka. Yeah.
Sing a where?
Sing a song.
Okay.
Yeah. But I already danced, so I'm not going to sing anymore.
Yeah,
Plus, I gave Lapi my voice so he can use it for tonight.
Okay.
Yeah. But how about we go to my family in Mangongo? Yeah. Or Apolima? Or say Pipi? Anybody say Pipi in the house? That's right, Mangongo in the house. Apolima in the house.
I'll do anything for you.
Like what?
I'll cut off my right arm for you, Tuna.
Don't. Oh, keep your hand, keep your legs, keep your beautiful face. Yeah. But listen, I want you to do something very important.
Okay.
I want you to cut off my head.
But why? I don't understand, Tuna.
Listen, yeah. I want you to plant it so the sun can shine on it. I know I forgot to tell you that the other night, but good thing I remember tonight, yeah. Because you already cut off my other head, and I grew another head. Yeah.
Okay.
So,
I still don't understand.
Oh, you will, Sina. In due time, you will.
I need my basket over there.
Yeah, let's go.
Wait, I need my basket. I still need my basket.
Yeah, kalau nga masuk ka ma, ano mo sa kami ay.
Sina, when she realized that by cutting the tuna's head meant that she no longer had her love, she wept sorrowful tears of love and alofa for her beloved tuna. She did as she was told. She planted his head where the sun could reach it. And in the morning, the first coconut tree was seen in that place. She husked it sadly, and then she stopped suddenly in her tracks and hugged the coconut to her. She punched a hole in its mouth, and she drank it. And that was the first kiss in Samoa and the first coconut. Malo Sina. Sina and Tuna. In the future, men will be revered as heroes, fighters, and warriors. They will be given the honor to Samoa. They will become known for the marks of the tattoo, the peta, the marks of a warrior. But the original warrior, the original To Samoa, was none other than a woman, a tattooed woman named Nafanua, who single-handedly fought against a village of some of the best warriors of Samoa, and some say Tonga, humiliating them in defeat.
A blood clot. That is what I am. Hidden inland.
Noah, Navanua.
Nafanua. Behold, the goddess Nafanua, daughter of Tilafainga, the goddess of the tattoo, and Savesileo, half man, half eel, the god of the underworld, Pulotu. Disguised as a man? Behold.
As a child, I was trained in the art of war, to wound with the intention to kill.
One day, war broke out between the eastern and western sides of Savaii. Tai'i, a brother of the half-man, half-eel Savesiuleo, was forced by the oppressors to climb a coconut tree with his head facing the ground. Viola. Halfway up the tree, Tai'i's exhaustion led to that sigh, that terrible sigh heard from Pulotu. Mapuatai. Nafanua knew that the only way for her to heed her uncle's aid was to disguise herself as a warrior, to defend her family's honor, to wage war against the oppressors.
Olea makalkawa. Go! Ia kau ia makua kau. Ia whai a wai ma whai. Uso. Saungi. Nanu Samoa le ne wong sau. Le se si manu le atu lau lau. Wong sau ne ma le mea ato. Ora umala si wa ato ato. Oe whata pa mai sasso ese. Le mani Samoa, le mani Samoa, le mani Samoa, mai Samoa. Hey!
Le mano! Fish caught in a reliable net is like a war won with reliable weapons. And so they waited until the warrior Nafanua began the war chant.
Olea makale kawa!
Go, go, go!
Into the war, the wind blew up Nafanua's tiputa from her chest and revealed that she was the enemy. Upon realizing that they were outdone by a woman, turned their heads away in shame, humiliated to be fighting a woman. However, upon recognizing her strength and courage as one of their own, they exclaimed victoriously. Thus, the battleground became known as Le Malae Olema, or the Malae of Shame. Nafanua's victory is but a symbol not only of one woman's unconquerable spirit, but of a people's trust in the strength of a leader. Ka! To guide them in both war and peace.
When the goddess Nafanua established her malo or government, King Malia Toa Fitisemanu came to her to seek a position in it.
I am here without shame, but to humbly ask you for a place in your union, my liege.
Your power and authority will not come from this world, sir. Your power and authority will come from above.
Known as the goddess Nafanua's prophecy, this is the beginning of the arrival of Christianity in Samoa from the goddess Nafanua to King Malietoa Fitisemanu.
That day, Nafanua decided to impart her weapons. Traditionally, Samoans impart weapons to those who are wise, to those who are titled men, women, and the elders. However, on that day, Nafanua broke from tradition and instead imparted her weapons to girls, young girls, so that they can navigate with strength into the future.
From this day forward, I name you Tafasilafai. Tafasilafai means to strike with courtesy. And you, I name Fauliulito. Fauliulito means Le Aisefefe. No fear, no mercy. Come. You, I name Fa'matematenga Tau, which means source of knowledge. And finally, I name you Ulimasau, which means to turn swiftly from danger, to end war, and to bring forth peace.
Warriors, Sawi! Gresau! Tawia!
Isn't everyone need to go on now?
You need my mic?
And now here they are in the beginning. Our story has come full circle. We are now back to the beginning of the earth with Tangalolangi and the elements. We have again Fatu, the original man, and Ele Ele, the original woman, back together to show you that life is indeed a circle, a never-ending circle, like the circle of a Fale Samoa, like the circle that unites us all as family, as Ainga, as friends, as Ainga who will travel long and wide to come see a production that features the history of their people, the history of where they come from, where they have journeyed through oceans to come here to this place, Utah. This is our community play, Utah. Here we are. Listen once more to our voices. Listen as we retell the story of the Sacred Center. Enough drums. And thus, man, Fatu, and woman, Ele, were given the tools of life to plant new life, to seek new life, to overcome adversity, to fight courageously, to live off of the fruits, leaves, and roots of the land and of the Sea of Samoa, the sacred center, ever evolving through time and space.
Samoa lies in the heart of
the Moana,
the largest body of water on the
Earth's surface.
It lies too in the hearts of every man, woman, and child,
of every village
and villager. It's the home of our ancestors.
Guided by Fitu,
guided by Masina,
guided by Matangi,
guided by Aniva,
sailing rough seas,
discovering
new people,
new places,
but rooted in the fires of Samoa.
Aweta fefe, aweta fefe, tasi, sawia. Aweta fefe, mumaile naitu, naitu atane, fai mayo loktupu, fai pule salafai, awea leka fefe lemo.
tanu whanaua walele oi le vasai ua e maua mailunga ole tofi haonga Samoana
Samoa. And now for our curtain call. Let us please have all the elements come to the front for the curtain call. There's Tangalolangi. We have there Mr. Vainupo Fitisemanu, Deborah Odell as Moana, Natasha Salavi as Mamao, Charmaine Solomon as Langi, Samoana Matangi as Ilu, Anthea Iono as Sina, and we have Netta Moye as Tilafainga. We have Dennis there as Vai, Frank as Fatu, Ele as Gloria Sagato, and we have Laverne there as Laverne Solberg as Taima, our beautiful Crystal Ainuu as our Taupo. We have Tala, Mr. Talamalu as Manuia as our Tulafale and Taii. Of course, our very distinguished statesman. We've got Jacob Fitisemanu Sr. And last but not least, of course, is our cast, our entire cast. Let's give them a hand. And the war goddess herself. We have, of course, here our Tuna, our beloved Tuna, Bradley Sau. And we cannot finish tonight without our beautiful choir. Our choir there from Mapusanga Ward, Malolava. And to end it all, of course, is our stunningly talented choreographer and our very own Nafadua. She is Miss Fina Schwenke.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, is our writer and director herself, Miss Sia Figiel. Give it up. And that's it for tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, and please stay back. There's a lot of entertainment for you tonight. I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together one more time for Fagogo O Samoa.